Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, does ArrayList has indexing in Java? Let me answer. The answer is yes. ArrayList has indexing in Java, where the first element that is assigned or initialized to this ArrayList will have the index as 0, and the next element will have the index as 1, and so on. So similar to arrays, ArrayList also has indexing or follows the indexing concept in Java. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE, where I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class with some random name, say class N, with some main method. And inside this main method, I'm going to create an array list. Array list, a list is equal to new array list. Like this, I'll create an array list and provide the circular brackets. I'll import this array list from java.util package. So hover the mouse on the array list and import it from java.util package. You are getting some warning messages because you need to specify the type of objects that you would like to store into this array list. Okay, here also specify the less than greater than symbol. Inside this less than greater than symbol, you specify the type of objects. For example, you would like to store some, let's say, string objects into the array list. Okay, you can store integer objects, string objects, whatever the objects you want, but I am storing string objects into this array list. I'll simply say a list dot add of, I'll say Arun. The moment you say a list dot add of, the first element or object that is initialized or assigned or getting assigned to this array list with the help of this add method will be stored at the index 0. Okay, for the object that is allocated for this array list, in that object, okay, in the first slot, that is which is having the index as 0, the index 0, you can say index 0, this Arun will be stored. A list dot add of, I'll just give another name, Varun. So this Varun will be stored at the index 1. Then A list dot add of, I'll say Tarun. This Tarun will be stored at the index 2. Now, if I would like to retrieve this objects or elements of this array list with the help of index, I can use get method. System.out.println. If I say a list, which is array list dot get of, I have to specify the index. For example, if I give the index as 0, Arun will be retrieved and printed here. Okay, this will return you the Arun, and print statement will print it out. Okay, now if I say system.out.println, a list dot get of 2, if I say this get method of this array list with the help of this index 2 will retrieve Arun and will print in the output console. System.out.println a list dot get of 1, if I say this get method of this array list with the help of the index 1 will retrieve this Varun and print in the output console. Okay, run this. So you will get first you will get Arun printed, then Tarun will be printed because index 2 is there. Index 1 Varun will be printed. Okay, so this program proves that ArrayList has indexing concept. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. That is, does ArrayList in Java has indexing or follow indexing concept? The answer is X. Okay, the answer is yes. And index starts from 0 in the array list. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.